So today we're going to do a pan-fried whole chicken. Going to butterfly it, as you can see, split it open like that, and make a very, very simple gravy. Welcome back to How to Cook Gravy. So I've got a 1 kg chicken there, whole chicken, which is 2.2 pounds. And what I've done is I'm going to butterfly it or spatchcock it, which means, I'm just showing you that there, I've just cut that out. Just take that out, that part, and then it will open up beautifully. Okay, so that's been spatchcocked or butterflied. You can see I've got a glove on it because we're going to go in there. What I've got here is 2 to 3 teaspoons of sweet paprika. You could use smoked paprika if you want. About a teaspoon of salt and pepper. Got some olive oil here, so just going to get some of that on there just to sort of bring it all together. I'm going to go in, I'm going to give it a little rub around. Back in a moment. Okay, so a nice little kind of massage of the chicken, and then I've just put that into a pan. You can see that it kind of folds out because we've taken the backbone out and we've butterflied it. I've got that on a below medium heat. We don't want to cook this hard, because you're just going to cook the outside and not the middle. So below medium, we're going to go for about 5 minutes, flip it over, 5 minutes, then we'll come back and have a look. Okay, beautiful. Now I've got some stock here. I've got a chicken stock. You can use a different stock if you want. I'm going to drop this in. It might be a bit noisy. Wonderful. We're going to turn it to a simmer now, and we're going to get a lid on that, and we're going to let it go for about another 6 or 7 minutes. I've just turned the heat off. What we're going to do now is we're going to take the chicken out, set it to one side, and we're going to do something with this beautiful, tasty, tasty water sauce. So I've got a little tiny bowl there with a heaped tablespoon of corn flour or cornstarch, which is the same thing, by the way. It's just called different things in different countries. We're just going to add a little bit of water just to make a little slurry, and we're going to thicken that sauce. So just give that a little mix in, and then we're going to drop that into the sauce to thicken it up. So we've got the heat on, as you can see. You need the heat to be going through this. And what we're going to do is we're just going to drop in a little bit at a time, and you can just really eyeball this. I've put about half in there. Just eyeball it and see how it thickens. Adjust it, get it thicker, get it thinner. Entirely up to you how you want to do it. So just whisk it through. You can see that it is starting to thicken there. Yeah, I'm going to go with a little bit more. Like I say, some people would like this really super thick, some people are a bit thinner. But we don't want to waste this. We've got a beautiful gravy here for our fantastic chicken. Look at that. Could go thicker if you want. I'm not going to. That's good for me, I think. Off goes the heat. Nice bit of gravy. And there we go. Just going to give it a little pour. Nice, simple, easy, butterflied chicken with a beautiful little gravy. Not bad, that. Hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thank you so much for stopping by and making it to the end of the videos. If you would like to donate to me, there's a thanks button in most countries. You can give me $2 or up to $50. I need to buy a new Ferrari. Come on, help me out.